In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view employee information in Zoho People. To get started, make sure you're already set up with an account and that you have the right permissions to view employee details. If you're not sure about your access level, you may want to check with your system administrator before you begin. Once that's taken care of, go ahead and log into Zoho People using your usual credentials. After you've logged in, you'll land on the Zoho People dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can access all the different modules and features. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. This is where you'll find the option you need. Look for the section in that left-hand menu labeled Operations. It might be grouped together with other modules depending on how your organization has configured the layout, but it should be clearly visible. Click on Operations to expand that area and reveal more options underneath it. Within the Operations section, you'll see several different choices related to day-to-day HR tasks. From here, find and click on Employee Information. This area is specifically designed to store, organize, and display details about your employees. So anytime you need to check profiles or verify information, this is where you'll go. Once you've opened Employee Information, you'll be presented with more options or tabs. Look for the option labeled Employees and select it. This is the core directory of your workforce inside Zoho People. When you click Employees, you'll typically see a list or table showing all the employees you have access to view. From this list, you can scroll through to find the person you're looking for, or in most setups, you can use the search bar or filters at the top to narrow things down by name, department, designation, or other criteria that your organization has enabled. Clicking on an individual employee's name will open their profile, where you can review details such as basic info, contact details, job information, and any other fields your company has configured. That's all there is to it. By logging in, navigating to Operations, then Employee Information, and finally selecting Employees, you'll be able to quickly find and view the employee records you need inside Zoho People.